Hey guys, it's JC, me, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a glossy slime tutorial. So yeah, let's get to it. So this slime is called Ocean Breeze, and I have a slime shop, and I will leave a link down in below, and I will tell you what my slime shop is and what kind of slime you guys can get and what you guys want to buy. So yeah, let's get to it. And sometimes if you have glossy slime and it's a little bit of sticky, if you just play with it and it's still a little sticky, just add a tiny bit of shaving cream, which I'm not going to do it, I'm just going to tell you. And if you add a little bit of shaving cream, it might, it's going to make it better. Super stretchy. And it makes a lot of bubbles and sounds. It's really satisfying. It's super stretchy, and you can make a lot of bubbles with it, and it makes satisfying sounds. So I'm going to make my signature twist. So yeah, that was our end of our video. Hope you guys liked and subscribe and hit the notification so you guys get notified so you guys don't miss any of our videos. Bye!